it going?
Oh, not much. Just always see these old cars here and always want to stop by.
Yeah, I try to stay pretty busy working on these old things.
This thing's neat. It'll be nice when you fix it up. What year is it? 55?
It's actually a 64, and the truck's done. I'm just not planning on painting it. Other than that, it's all new.
Yeah, my sister's uncle, brother's cousin, grandkid had one just like it. Yeah, except it was a 77, forward long bed, 4-wheel drive, extended cab, had mud tires on it, just like it though.
That's cool.
Yeah, we fabricated floors and everything too for that one. We just laid the metal in there and you rivet it and silicone it, just like this. You do any work on the side?
Yeah, this is just my side gig for some extra cash on the side.
How much to turn my 94 Ford into a 4-wheel drive lifted machine?
Is it 4-wheel drive already?
2-wheel drive.
Man, it'd just be cheaper to buy a 4-wheel drive, really.
But this one's rare, so I want to keep it.
Right on, man. Well, I've got to get back working on this thing. I've got a certain amount of stuff I got to get done today.
All right, brother. Well, good talking to you, man. You take it easy.
All right, man. You too.
Welding don't even hurt my eyes. I don't even use a helmet.
Yeah, that's probably not a good idea, man. But have a good one.
All right, you too. This thing's so low it's as worthless as tits on a chicken.
Well, I know I don't post a lot of videos like that, or really any, but I made this video a week ago, and I've been on the fence if I was going to post it or not, and I decided to try it out to see what you guys think. I'm always working in the shop, trying to concentrate on what I'm doing, and I feel like the videos are always serious, and I'm not a serious person. I'm always laughing, I'm always joking, so I just want to make a little short video like that. Hopefully you get a couple laughs out of people. Don't get offended thinking I'm trying to make fun of rednecks or country people or whatever, because I grew up in a 1969 single wide on Rattlesnake Hill Road. It's part of me, so I can pull it off pretty easy. It comes natural to me. So if you liked it, let me know down below in a comment, please. And if you hated it, let me know, because I don't want to start posting things that y'all don't enjoy, but at the same time, I'd like to have more of my fun personality on the channel. Also with, maybe breaking up some of the longer recording periods where it's taking me a week to get something done on the car, and I can make a quick little video if I think of one to be able to post to help momentum on the channel. So either way, I need y'all's feedback of what you think down below. I did just hit 2,000 subscribers, and it's been a long year and a half to get just to there. So I want to say thank you to each and every one of you who have subscribed. I think it's pretty awesome. So thanks for always coming back. Let me know, please drop a comment down below. If you're not on Instagram, you can catch me there at Putin's Fab Shop. And if you're new to the channel, the first time you've ever seen a video, we actually work on old cars, so hop over to the channel, check it out. I'll see you guys in the next video.